Welcome to Green Parrot Hotel Istanbul. You can easily book your stay by scanning the QR code in the video description. At Green Parrot Hotel Istanbul, we focus on providing a comfortable and convenient experience. Enjoy complimentary Wi-Fi throughout the hotel, making it simple to stay connected. Start your day right with our included breakfast, offering a variety of options to suit your taste. For added ease, utilize our express check-in service, designed to quickly get you settled in. Relax and unwind in our lush garden, a peaceful escape from the city. Or, if you're looking for something more social, join other guests in our shared lounge and TV area, the perfect spot to connect and enjoy some entertainment. These amenities are included to ensure your stay is as smooth and enjoyable as possible, offering you a great value stay in the heart of Istanbul. Don't forget, booking is easy. Scan the QR code in the video description now.